Okay, so let's begin. So to start, you first swipe your upper chest 2 times. 1, 2, okay. Then after that, 3, 4, you cross your arms 2 times. 3, 4, so like a scissors. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then on 3 and 4, you will lift up your left leg, right leg. So when you lift up, okay, you lean towards your right for the first one, and then towards your left for the second one. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then on 5, 6, okay, or rather 4 and okay, you need to compress your abdomen towards your leg. Okay, so 3, 4, okay, then compress and then step up. Okay, so it's a bit of like a, how do I put this? A bounce. Okay, so you will compress and then you will stretch out. Okay, then after that, you will do the same thing with your left leg. Okay, so you compress and you step up. Okay, so you straighten out. So imagine your body is like this spring that you need to stretch out. Okay. Okay, so let's repeat that again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. Don't bother about the counts for now. Okay, so just follow the movements. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. Okay, then 7, 8. You're going to repeat this. Okay, so you will jump back. So you will jump and land on your right foot. Jump, land on your left foot. Okay. At the same time, when you land on one foot, your other foot will come up. Okay. So 7, 8. Okay. Then on 1, you will now step back like this. Okay. Okay. Then after that, you will go up and swipe around your head, comb your head. Okay. So starting from going back again. Okay. Like this. Step, comb your hair, okay? Okay, then after you comb your hair, you will need to compress again. So in this dance, there's a lot of compression, extension, okay? Yeah, so yeah, 加油. Okay, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then on the, after you have combed your hair, okay, your right arm point this way, okay, straighten out. Okay, you compress and then you step with your right leg, right foot. Okay, then you compress, step with your left leg. So it's like bounce and bounce. So down, up, and bounce. Okay. Then next, what you do is you're going to push back. Okay, so when you push back, you straighten out your arms, and then you can look that way. Okay, so after here, you will push back and slide back. Okay, then now we're going to compress again. So you put your arms here, squeeze in, doing. Okay, so again, slide back, squeeze in, doing. Okay, so don't rush the bounce. There's a bit of a pause after you compress. So you give like half a beat for the compression. Slide back, compress, bounce. Okay, so when you step, okay, the first step you're facing this way, second step you're facing this way. Okay, you don't have to tilt too much. Okay, because of in terms of camera angle, if you tilt too much, you can see that your frame is not as wide, right? So just like this will do. Okay, I think let's start from the beginning. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Okay? Like I said, I'm not sure if the counts are correct, but you just follow the movements. Then later we follow the song. Okay? Okay, so after you do this, they do 2 moves that's freestyle. You can do this, okay? Or you can just 1, 2, okay, so you get 1 side down, 2 side down, okay. Then after that, you will step up, step out with your right leg. So step out your right leg. Okay. You can face about like slightly slanted from the front. Okay. Don't need to turn too much. Okay. Because remember your frame will not look as wide right from the camera. So you just tilt a bit. Okay. And then the next thing you want to do is you want to pull in your right shoulder. Okay, so pull in your right shoulder. At the same time, your knee will bend inwards. Okay, so let's start from the two moves again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay. After this, you will then bring in your right leg, join your left leg. Okay. However, for your torso, you will do this. Yes, it's very cutesy, but you just do it. Okay. Then you go up. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay. After this, you will then step up with your left heel. Okay. And then there's a bit of like a body wave. Okay. And then your right fist, you will push out your left shoulder. So push it out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then you will do this toing. Okay. So 5. This is like 2 counts. It's a bit slow. 5, 6, then 7, 8. So 7, 8 is fast. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so on 7, 8, what you do is after you do this, you open up. Okay, then you like your head face this way, and then you curl in your fist and then open up as palms. Okay, okay, then hold still here for a split second before the next move. Okay. So this split second is actually not easy because very fast you have to go in the next move. Okay, so you try to hold just for a split second to have the picture pose. Okay, then this one, the next move is I also do not think I mastered it yet, but essentially the idea is you will wave, you will roll, so you will roll this way, roll this way, roll this way, roll this way, but you'll be like 1, 2, 3, 4. Roll, 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 roll. Okay, so you will roll and then you lift up. So it's like roll and lift up your left leg, roll and lift up your right leg, roll and lift up your left leg, roll and lift up your right leg. Okay, so it's debatable whether the fourth one to lift up. Okay, but I'm just going to lift up. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you don't have to lift your feet up too high. The emphasis should be on the body roll. Okay, which again I say I have not mastered it. Okay, so you just, I think some of you probably can do better than me. So roll, 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 step. Okay, so after this, it will be the second part of the chorus already, which is the fun part. Okay, so let us maybe revise the last few steps, then we start from the beginning again. Okay, okay, so last few steps. Okay, so starting from here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Okay. Okay. After the last one, step down. Okay. Then what you're going to do is, you're going to go up. Okay. Go up meaning push out with your left fist. Okay. But it's like you imagine you are going over a hill. Okay, so like this. So your body kind of wave also. Okay, then here is upright. Okay. Because later on you are going to go down a bit. Okay, so I mentioned this now so that you can see the contrast. So up, so that push out, and then next thing is you will open up this way. Okay. Okay, when you open up this way, you're going to bend down. Okay. Strictly speaking, you are supposed to rest on your right palm. Okay, so like this. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then now you go the other way. Okay, so when you go the other way, you stand up. Okay. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. I forgot to say something. So when you do the first one, by right, there's like a bit of a chest pop. I think K1 does a chest pop. Okay, chest pop. don't, you can hear the music and then you understand why there's a like pop move. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So unfortunately this one there is no 8. It's very fast. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On 8 you must immediately step up already. Okay. Okay. And the arm doesn't go this way. The arm will just pull down. Okay. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So 8. Next thing, you will step in with your right leg on 1. Okay. Then you imagine you're wearing a jacket, but it came off a bit. So you're going to put it. You're going to bring it in, but at the same time you will bounce. You will jump a bit. So boing. Okay. So together you'll be 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Okay. 1, 2. Okay. After you do this, you will land. The next thing you want to do is you step a bit up with your left leg. Okay. So this is like a prep move for the next move. Okay, which we are going to do a rather heavy body roll. Hopefully I can execute it properly. Okay, so you bounce. Okay, so at first you are looking here, right? Bounce to here. Okay, step up, look to the left. Okay, let me pull up my pants. Okay, then the next thing you need to do is you need to step back with your right foot. Okay, so when you step back with your right foot, you have like a body wave back. Okay, so you'll be 8, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, but when you do the entry, it's like it's not a part. It's not a. It's the staccato moves. Step, roll. Okay, then for your palms, for your fist, you hold like that. Okay, yeah. So in their dance practice video, they hold their like belt like that. Okay, so step, roll. Okay, so when you roll, your pelvic will be a bit front, right? Okay, don't rush to bring it in, because the next thing you want to do is you want to do reverse pelvic thrust. So pelvic thrust is out, right? So reverse pelvic thrust, in. Okay, so you leverage on the body roll to start your reverse pelvic thrust. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so when you are doing the reverse pelvic thrust, you will change your direction gradually until you hit here. Okay, yeah. So let me show you the whole part there. Okay, so 8, 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6. Okay, so there's a bit of a pause before you start the first one. 1, 5, 6. But that's a very short one. Okay, so don't delay it for too long. 5, 6. Later just follow the music. Okay. Okay, so after the last one, what do? You will basically slide up. Okay, slide to your right. When you slide to your right, your chest try to go up. So right. Okay, and the second one, left. Then when you go left, you will bend down a bit. Okay. Then next one, right. So when the next one, you will flick your right palm 2 times. Okay, right. Okay, so this one will be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so after this one, it's all 2 counts, 2 counts, 2 counts. But after this one, you will be 1 count, 1 count. Okay, so after you flick your palm, you will the next one you will also go left, but then it's like a pa. It's like a more forceful one. Okay, so the first 3 are all gradual, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, pa. Okay, so to emphasize the forcefulness, you flick out this way, you push back, and then you can just turn. Okay, turn. Then there isn't much time for this one. 7, 8. Then you move again. 9, 1, 2. Okay, so together you'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then that's the end. Okay, so let's do all together. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8. Da 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 da. Then I made it easy. Then the right, left, right, left, right, left,